Starting your own car mechanic business is a great way to turn your love for cars into a profitable career. If you enjoy working with your hands, solving mechanical problems, and being your own boss, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. With so many cars on the road, there's always a demand for skilled mechanics. Whether you want to open a full-service repair shop, offer mobile car repairs, or specialize in a specific type of service, there are plenty of ways to build a successful business. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started as a car mechanic. Running your own car repair business can be an incredibly rewarding and profitable venture. Here's why it's a great idea. Cars are essential for daily life, and they constantly need maintenance and repairs. Whether it's routine oil changes, brake replacements, or major engine work, there will always be customers looking for a reliable mechanic. As long as people drive cars, there will be a need for your services. Auto repair services often have high profit margins, especially on labor. If you price your services correctly and manage your costs well, you can earn a steady and substantial income. Over time, as you build a loyal customer base, your earnings can grow significantly. While opening a large auto shop can be expensive, you don't have to start big. Many mechanics begin by working from their garage or offering mobile repair services. By starting small and gradually expanding, you can build your business without taking on huge financial risks. As a business owner, you get to decide your hours, the type of repairs you want to focus on, and how you want to grow your company. You can specialize in specific vehicles, offer emergency services, or even run a mobile mechanic business to serve customers at their location. The possibilities are endless. A trusted mechanic is invaluable to the community. If you provide excellent service, customers will keep coming back and refer their friends and family. Over time, this loyalty turns into steady business and strong word-of-mouth marketing. However, before jumping in, you need to consider the challenges that come with running a car repair business. You don't need to know everything on day one, but solid mechanical skills are essential. Cars are getting more complex, with advanced electronics and computer systems. To stay competitive, you'll need to keep learning and invest in diagnostic tools. There are many independent mechanics and large repair chains out there. To attract customers, you'll need to offer competitive pricing, excellent service, or a unique selling point, such as specializing in certain types of vehicles or providing mobile repairs. Not every repair is a quick fix. Some require specialized tools, high-level expertise, or a significant time investment. Advanced jobs like engine rebuilds or electrical diagnostics can be difficult to handle alone, especially when starting out. Despite these challenges, if you have the passion, skills, and determination, a car mechanic business can be a highly rewarding and profitable venture. Now, let's go over exactly what you need to get started. First, you'll need the right tools. A good set of equipment is essential for handling repairs efficiently. You'll need a solid socket set, wrenches and screwdrivers for general repairs, as well as a hydraulic jack and jack stands for safely lifting vehicles. An OBD2 scanner will help you diagnose engine problems quickly, while an impact wrench and air compressor will make removing tough bolts much easier. Pliers, hammers, and pry bars are also must-haves for dealing with stubborn parts. Investing in quality tools from the beginning will make your work smoother and more professional. Having spare parts on hand isn't necessary, but it can make your job much easier. Keeping common items like oil, air, and fuel filters, brake pads and rotors, belts and hoses, and small essentials like fuses, bulbs, and spark plugs can help you complete jobs faster without waiting on deliveries. This not only saves time, but also improves customer satisfaction by offering quicker service. Next, you need a place to work. You don't have to rent a full workshop right away. Many mechanics start from their own garage. If you don't have a garage or prefer a more flexible approach, you can offer mobile repair services, traveling to customers' locations and fixing their cars on site. This can save you money on overhead costs and make it easier to attract clients who need convenient service. As your business grows, you can invest in a dedicated workspace to expand your operations. The most important thing, however, is your skill level. Having the best tools and a great workspace won't mean much if you don't have the expertise to fix cars properly. To get started, you should be confident in handling basic repairs like brake replacements, oil changes, battery diagnostics, and suspension work. As you gain experience, you can take on more advanced jobs like engine diagnostics, transmission repairs, and performance upgrades. The better your skills, the more valuable your services will be, helping you stand out from the competition and grow your business. With the right tools, a solid workspace, and strong mechanical skills, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful car mechanic business. But before you start taking customers, let's go over the legal side of things. What licenses and paperwork you might need to operate legally. While you don't need a specific license to be a car mechanic, some states may require you to have an automotive repair license or certification, especially if you plan to offer specialized services like emissions testing or air conditioning repair. Even though it's not always mandatory, getting certified by organizations like Automotive Service Excellence can boost your credibility and help attract more customers. Requirements for running an auto repair business vary across the U.S., so it's crucial to check what applies in your state. Some states have strict environmental regulations, requiring special permits for handling hazardous waste like oil and coolant. Others may require a general business license, sales tax permit, or zoning approval if you're operating from a commercial location. Make sure to research local laws so you don't run into legal trouble down the line. Regardless of state-specific rules, it's highly advisable to register your business legally. Whether you choose a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or another business structure, making your business official will protect you from liability, help you with taxes, and allow you to open a business bank account. If you're unsure how to get started, check out our simple guide on how to open a business in each U.S. state. It walks you through the steps you need to take to ensure your car mechanic business is fully legal and ready to operate. Now that we've covered the legal stuff and you're all set to start your business on the right foot, let's talk about setting up your online presence. A website is a great tool for managing your business, scheduling clients, and making your services easy to find. IKOL is a fantastic option for car mechanics, offering all the tools you need to run your business smoothly. With IKOL, you can manage your client appointments, create invoices, and even accept payments online. It's a simple all-in-one platform that allows you to focus on the hands-on work while they handle the tech side. To get started, just head over to ikol.com, click on Get Started, and select Services. From there, search for Car Mechanic, choose the services you want to offer, and follow the simple steps to create your website. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functional website ready to go. Once your site is set up, customers can easily book appointments online, and you can view all their information directly from your dashboard. You'll also have access to a powerful AI chat, allowing you to convert hesitant visitors into your loyal customers. Now you're all set to grow your car mechanic business with a professional online presence to help you stay organized and attract more customers. If you want to dive deeper into customizing your IKOL website, check out the tutorial playlist on our YouTube channel. When it comes to advertising your car mechanic business, there are a few key strategies you should focus on to help you get noticed in your local community. Since your business is focused on your local area, you should start by putting your advertising efforts where people are most likely to see them. Hand out flyers, hang posters, and even get involved in local events to raise awareness of your services. You could also consider offering promotions or discounts for first-time customers to attract new business and build your reputation. Social media is a powerful tool to boost your visibility and build trust with potential customers. Create accounts on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to post updates, share customer testimonials, and even show behind-the-scenes footage of your work. Posting regular content will keep you top of mind for when people need a mechanic, and it's a great way to reach new clients who may not have heard of you otherwise. Running digital ads is another great way to supplement your local marketing efforts. You can target potential customers in your area using platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads, making it easier for people in your neighborhood to find your services when they search for a mechanic online. Don't forget about email marketing. It's a fantastic way to keep your current clients engaged and remind them about routine services they may need, like oil changes or tire rotations. You can also send out special promotions, seasonal discounts, or even birthday offers to show your appreciation and encourage repeat business. Overall, starting your own car mechanic business is a great way to turn your passion for cars into a profitable venture. With the right tools, skills, and marketing strategies in place, you can build a successful business that not only supports your lifestyle, but also becomes a trusted name in your local community. So, if you're ready to hit the ground running, go ahead and take that first step toward launching your car mechanic business. Good luck, and we wish you all the best on your journey. IKOL, AI for Business.